Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the chain rule of calculus. If you need additional help in mathematics, make sure to download the iMath Tutor app available on iOS and Android for private one-on-one tutoring. Make sure to DM us on Instagram for more information and possibly some free coupons. So let's get started. So what is the chain rule of calculus? The chain rule states that if you have a function f, and inside of f you have another function g of x, and you're trying to take the derivative of all of this, so d over dx, this is the same thing as taking the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function. So f prime of g of x multiplied by g prime of x. If you have a composition of more than two functions, here all you have to do is multiply by whatever's inside. For example, if you have d over dx of f of g of h of x, all right, this would be equal to derivative of f of g of h of x. Maybe I messed up the parentheses here. F, G, H. No, I don't think so. Times g prime of h of x times h prime of x. So this is what the chain rule basically states. So let's do an example. Example 1. All right, so let's say we want to take the derivative with respect to x of sine of 2x. So this, as we say, it's the derivative of the outside function. So derivative of sine is cosine. So cosine of 2x multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. So the derivative of 2x with respect to x is simply 2. So this is equal to 2 cosine of 2x. Let's do another example, example 2. Like this. Let's say that we're trying to take derivative d over dx. Here I made a mistake, is not equal. D over dx of e to the x squared. Here in the case of e to the 2x is not as obvious. So this is basically the same thing, but instead of it being sine, for example, in the sine, the 2x is inside the sine function, the g of x is going to be the x squared. So this is going to be our g of x. And our f of x is this whole thing. All right, so this is going to be our f of x. So let's take the derivative of our whole thing, which is f of x. Derivative of e to the something, it doesn't change. So it's still e to the x squared multiplied by derivative of the inside, g of x. So derivative of x squared is 2x. And so this final solution is 2x e to the x squared. All right, let's do one last example here. Example 3. Let's take the derivative d over dx with respect to x of the tangent of ln x. All right. So this one's a little bit more evident. We already know that our f of x is the whole thing. This is f of x. And our g of x is this thing right here inside. This is our g of x. So let's take the derivative of a tangent. Derivative of tangent is secant squared. So here we'll have secant squared. The inside doesn't change, ln of x, multiplied by the derivative of g of x. So derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And so this is our solution. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you in your calculus class. If you need more help, don't hesitate to download the iMath Tutor app. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.